Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Sakura flower, cherry blossom flower. This is done using 1/4 sheet of the paper. Now for the demonstration purpose, I'll be using 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. Fold the paper into half. Now we need a point here, so fold the paper into half, then make a small crease. Open the flap and fold as shown. Here also make a small crease. So this is the point where two creases intersect. Bring this tip to this point and make a crease. Then fold this area into half in a cone shape. Repeat the same thing on this side also. And fold back this cone shape as demonstrated. Mark approximately center from this point to this point, and then here a small V shape, and draw a curve shape from this point. Now cut on this line. Open the petals. Then collapse it as shown. Fold and make a crease in the edges as shown. Make a sharp crease. Then do the same thing on the other side too. Then again open the petals, and by keeping the white side on the top, fold along with the crease lines. Let the pleats follow the same direction. And in the center you can give a neat finish as demonstrated. Then just do a small twist. Origami Sakura flower is done. When you do in smaller size, the pleats also will look very small, and you can do it carefully by holding in hand. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.